Hello everybody. Today we'll learn how to use import in Python. Okay, first in this case we'll need to create two files. So one file will have variables and the other file I will import. So here I'll make the main file. I will type there the variables, and also I'll make import.py because there I will import. Okay, now I will go to the main file and do, for example, one variable, and I will name it by about equals to my name is Omar. Okay, and let me create also a new variable. Date equals to 18/7/2020. Okay, now I will return to the import.py. Now the first way I want to import specific thing in the main file. So what I will say, from me, I will type the name of the file, the name of it, and then from main file, this file, import what I will specify which thing you need to import. For example, I need you to import exactly about. Okay, and then we need to check also if this import had been successful. We'll type print what. Now he can access about data and see what is there. So I'll tell him print about. So it will print what the amount of about in this file, the main file. So it will type my name is Omar. Okay, now there is the second way to import. We can use import only. Import, we'll tell him import what main underscore file. Here we will import everything, all the classes in this file, all the variables, everything. Okay, but here I have two variables. Okay, now how to specify which thing you need to print from this file, the main file. We'll type print, and then because if you type about, for example, it will not work because he will say that about is not defined. Because if we specify this thing, okay, it will work, but here is didn't specify because we import everything. So how to fix this problem? We will type here, we will tell him go and check the main file. So we'll type him main underscore what file, and then we'll make a dot, and now he went to this file and he checked for everything. I will tell him, for example, now print for me the date. Check it for this variable there and in the main underscore file, and print it for me. So it will go to the main file and check for date variable, and it will print it. So see, print the date variable. So I hope that you had understood it. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment, and goodbye.